Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to explore the beautiful Mt Gretna, Pennsylvania. So come along with me and see what we can see. Now, one of the things at Mt Gretna is the Mt Gretna Lake and Beach. Now, as you can see, it opens at 11:30 a.m. and closes at 6:30. Now, you do have to have pre-purchased tickets, and those tickets can be purchased at www.mountgretnalake.com. Now, daily admission prices, as you can see, as of the date of this video, is $24. Youth 4 to 11 is $12, and seniors, which they include 60 plus, is $12. Now, you can get season passes. A single is $190, youth is $95, and senior is $120. Now, of course, there are some rules here, of course. You know, for your safety and comfort, they really would rather you not, throw balls around with frisbees or other throwing activities so you don't whack each other in the head and stuff. And of course, no alcohol, beverages, because things could get out of hand. Okay. You can't fish because, of course, they swim in here in boats. So, and of course, because they have rentals, they really prefer you not bring in private boats and canoes and kayaks, those kind of things, which makes sense. Now, you can also go to the snack bar and rent these giant tubes. They're $8 for the whole day. Canoes and kayaks are $8 for a half hour, and beach chairs are $5 for the whole day. Not bad. They do have pavilions and outdoor facilities for your pleasure. And by the looks of it, they do have a huge area. So if you have a very large party, I'm sure they can accommodate. Now, Mt Gretna Lake and Beach is a family-owned and operated swim and recreational facility that is open to the public, of course, with that daily fee. Now, they're open every day from Memorial Day to Labor Day for swimming and picnics, with individuals and group admission rates, as well as season passes, as I showed you before. Unfortunately, at the time of this video, the facility was not open yet, but it sure looks like a whole lot of fun. Now, Mt Gretna is known for many of its outdoor activities, including a very famous outdoor art show, which is normally done at the end of August every year. Now, another thing that Mt Gretna is known for is its Playhouse. And of course, it has a lot of smaller venues, but also some huge, huge names. Now, the Mt Gretna Summer Playhouse has been in existence since 1927. Now, the original Playhouse actually dates back to 1892. This makes it one of the oldest summer theaters in America. Of course, one of the unique things is this is an outdoor theater. Sort of. When they have productions, they close these curtains on either side. So only the people who pay, of course, can see the production. Now, they are doing some construction here, so you probably hear some noise in the background. Sorry about that. And in case anybody asks, yes, it is handicapped accessible. And speaking of handicapped accessibility, it can't get any more accessible than this. You have the parking spot, and right over here, you have the access. Now, that's cool. If you want to know more about the Mt Gretna Playhouse and Theater, here's the information for you. Now, beautiful walking trails abound here in Mt Gretna. So if you like nature, you like walking, this is a wonderful place to do that. And the homes in this area are absolutely gorgeous. Now this is a very dog-friendly place, but of course they do expect you to clean up after your friend. Another historical Mt. Gretna tradition is going to the Jigger Shop. It is the creme de la creme, pun intended, of ice cream. With plenty of outdoor and indoor seating, you will not be without comfort. And all throughout Mt. Gretna, there are these wonderful little artisan shops and eateries. They even have their own little cute post office. They even have a little park for the little kitties. And at least a couple things for the adults. Look at the size of that potted plant. And if you're interested in finding out even more about Mt. Gretna, please feel free to visit the Mt. Gretna Area Historical Society. Established in 2004, it gives you a plethora of wonderful information. I'd really appreciate it if you could like this video, write a comment, and please subscribe. Oh, and hit that bell while you're at it. And as always, have a great day.